At PSJ ISD, the safety and health of our students and staff remain a top priority. We understand the responsibility that comes with every school day, and we want you to feel confident knowing that we're doing everything we can to keep you safe. Thanks to an $8 million school safety grant, we've enhanced systems district-wide, upgraded surveillance cameras, night lock door devices, and shatter-resistant window film on all exterior windows and doors. Coming this school year, every classroom will be equipped with a phone featuring a panic button for enhanced communication. We've deployed 3 mobile surveillance towers that can be positioned as needed throughout the district. And we've added advanced AI weapon detection systems to screen individuals and bags at district events and campuses. Our officers also train using a de-escalation simulator to practice interactive, real-life scenarios. And with the completion of our new PSJA School Safety and Security Training site, we now have a dedicated facility for hands-on training for our officers and security staff. The PSJA Guardian program ensures that armed, trained officers are stationed at every elementary school. In addition, every classroom has a stop-the-bleed kit, and each campus is equipped with airway clearance devices to respond quickly to emergencies. Health and safety go hand in hand. Through Health and Safety on Wheels, our police, security, and health services departments conduct outreach, promote awareness, and provide vaccination education across the community. Strict access control is in place at all campuses. This includes a single visitor entry point, locked classroom and exterior doors, and visitor screening through the Raptor system, ensuring only authorized individuals are allowed in. We've also implemented the standard response protocols, a common language for emergency response used at all our schools. Hold, secure, shelter, evacuate, and lockdown. These protocols are practiced through drills and coordinated exercises to ensure we are prepared. At PSJ ISD, safety is a shared responsibility. We are committed to showing up for you, just as you show up for our students every day. Learn more at psjisd.us/safety.